Questions this evening as to why the chairman of the Spectrum Management Authority, SMA, wanted the state entity to circumvent the hiring process and immediately shortlist a candidate for a job. The issue was debated in a string of emails between SMA chairman Trevor Forrest and former managing director Dr. David MacBean, who rejected the request from the chairman. So, who was the candidate and what did the email say? TVJ's Andrea Chisholm explains.
In 2016, Chairman of the Spectrum Management Authority SMA, Trevor Forrest, gave a directive to former Managing Director of the entity, Dr. David MacBean. Mr. Forrest wanted Caroline Warren, the former Managing Director at Nesol, to be considered for the post of Administration Manager at the SMA. He said, "Please see that this resume is added to your short-listed candidates for interview and consideration." But the SMA was apparently way down the wicket in the hiring process. The post was advertised. The application deadline had already passed. 10 of 58 applications were being considered, 5 applicants were shortlisted, and interviews were to be scheduled. Dr. MacBean noted in his email that the application was not made by the normal route, and any addition of a candidate at that stage would be highly irregular and would trigger an human resources audit. But the SMA chairman was insistent. Mr. Forrest said the concerns were noted, but still asked for the candidate to be added to the shortlist. Mr. Forrest also asked Dr. MacBean to provide documentation which prevents the request from being carried out. The Spectrum Management Authority's recruitment, selection, and staffing policy was sent to the board chairman. Dr. MacBean also stated in his correspondence that the corporate governance framework speaks to the roles and responsibilities of the SMA's board as well as the day-to-day operations of the executive. Also pointing out that referring a candidate was not the issue, but the referral came 10 days after the process was closed. So any inclusion of a candidate would question if the selection process was fair and transparent. SMA's chairman Trevor Forrest essentially told Dr. MacBean to stop recruiting people so that the board can review the corporate governance framework, as he could not find any language which expressly prevented his request. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.